Hello there. So finally I have some screen recordings and everything that will look much better quality than obviously I'm doing it by my phone. So I tried out some funny video effects, as you can see, and so I'm gonna show you just my simple and quick process how I do illustrations on Krita. First I import a layer, which is a picture of illustration entered by hand in my sketchbook, and then I draw over it, fill it in, put a background on, and that's basically it. But here I can see that I forgot to add in the backgrounds, and I will see later, I will notice that later, and I will fix that. Yeah, that's right here. Got to add 2 more layers for the coloring in and for the background and for the line. So right now I'm fixing it, and I think I skipped a little bit because actually my screen recorder cannot really run together with Krita constantly. My computer crashes, sadly. That's why before I couldn't really upload much stuff what I do on the program. But I love how it looks like. The quality is nice, and obviously it's so much better than filming with my phone. So yeah, right now I'm trying out some color combinations. The background is pink, I don't know, it looks kind of cute. And yeah, I think I will change the color of the hats. It looks too dark. Yeah, so this year I don't know why I'm really into the kitty stuff of Inktober. I did one before, but this one I think turned out way better. And what else? Added some cute Japanese style eyes on there, as you can see. Tried out some orange, but no, it didn't work. It clashed too much with pink, so I think I'm gonna change it to white. The music is fun, huh? I hope it's not too boring, this song, but I kinda liked it. It sounds a little bit spooky, no? Yeah, now I added some shadowing under the hat and add some highlight to the hat, I guess. I like when these kind of illustrations doesn't take me a long time. I think I did this one probably in 15 or 20 minutes. And that I can just upload it to my Instagram and just have something new to show every other day or so. That is obviously if I'm lucky with my computer. That's my little signature. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it, and I hope you can subscribe, follow me on social media, and I will be really grateful for that. And see you soon.